Did you know that you can transform any video file into a text file with just a few clicks? The best part is that everything is done online, so you don't even need to install anything or to own a super powerful computer. To do this, you first need to look up Flixier on Google. Visit the first link and then click on Start Editing at the top of the screen. After opening the editor, you'll be presented with a number of different import options. You can import the clip from your device, Google Drive, Dropbox, and many other options, including bringing videos over from your mobile phone by scanning a QR code. For this example, we'll import a file from our laptop. Once the file has loaded, it will appear in the library here on the left side of the screen. Now you can select it and then press the plus button that appears on the video. This way, it will be imported onto the timeline. You can also just drag and drop the video onto the timeline. After your video is on the timeline, you'll need to generate the subtitles, which will later be turned into your text file. To do this, you have two options. You can right-click on the video in the timeline and select Generate Subtitles, or you can go to the menu on the left, select Subtitles, and then click on Auto Subtitles. You'll see here that Auto Detect Language is already selected. You can leave this option checked for automatic detection of the video's language, or you can deselect it and pick the language spoken in your video from the list here. After clicking on Generate Subtitles, they'll be ready for you to download in just a few seconds. In the left side menu, a new box called Subtitle Timing will appear. Here you can check and correct your subtitles to ensure that they are completely accurate. To download your captions, go to the menu on the right. In the Subtitles tab, you'll find the option to download your transcript or subtitle file. In our case, we want the transcript, so we'll select the Text No Timestamps option from the drop-down menu. After choosing this option, click on the Download button and the text file will be saved to your device. Additionally, you can also translate your transcript to almost any language. To do this, go to the Translate tab, then click on Add Language. Here you'll be able to choose the language in which you want to translate your file. After picking the language, you can click on the Translate button and in just a few moments your subtitles will be translated into the selected language. All you have to do now is click on the three dots next to the language to download it. This way, in just a few minutes, you can transform any MP4 file into a text file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, happy editing!